Today we're making Blue Zone inspired vegan sandwiches. These are absolutely delicious, nutritious, and will keep you satisfied for long. I'm using fresh seeded sourdough bread, extra virgin olive oil, balsamic glaze, salt and pepper. For 2 sandwiches, I'm using half an avocado, some white beans. I soak dry beans overnight and cook them in the morning. Some lemon, 3 cloves of garlic, and a few basil leaves. Start by adding your beans to the bowl and mash them with fork. Slice half an avocado and add it to the beans. Continue mashing them together. Then add a splash of lemon juice. Crush your garlic in a garlic press and add that to the rest of the ingredients. Now add about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and season to taste with salt and pepper. Mix it well. Now let's add this mixture on our sourdough slices. Finish off with some balsamic glaze and a bit more seasoning if required. Add basil leaves on top as they work really well with all the other flavors that we are using. Ready to serve. Enjoy!